and a warm welcome to DAV Fertilizer Public School, Babrala News Bulletin. I'm Samriddhi Yadav of Class 9th Brown, bringing you the latest achievements and happenings from our campus. Landmark collaboration with TED. We begin today's bulletin with a proud and a historic announcement. DAV Fertilizer Public School, Babrala has officially collaborated with TED, the Global Education Initiative of TED, known worldwide for inspiring ideas and powerful storytelling. Through this collaboration, our students will now explore and develop ideas that matter to them, engage with the global community of young innovators, and gain exposure to world-class educational mentorship. Our next news celebrates excellence in the field of science. For the third consecutive year, our students have qualified for the state-level camp of Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan 2025. The qualifiers are Arna Divedi, Class 8, Aditya Kumar, Class 11 Science. Their hard work, logical skills, and scientific spirit have brought pride to our school. International recognition at IMUN. Continuing the streaks of achievements, we are proud to share that Sohi Vishwas has been awarded the Outstanding Delegate Award in the UNESCO Committee at the prestigious International Model United Nations online conference. Her exceptional debating, diplomacy, and global awareness made her stand out among participants from all across the world. Mission Shakti Awareness Program. The school recently hosted an important awareness session under the Mission Shakti initiative. The Anti-Romeo Squad of Sambal district and the station house officer of Babrala police station interacted with students on women's safety, legal rights, and self-defense preparedness. Students were guided about helpline numbers, cyber safety measures, and the importance of staying alert and reporting concerns promptly. Principal Shri Anand Swaroop Saraswat appreciated the efforts, highlighting how such initiative empower students with awareness and confidence. Constitution Day celebrations. DAV Babrala celebrated Constitution Day with solemnity and pride. The program began with a collective reading of the Constitution Pledge. Samra of Class 9 delivered an insightful speech on the significance and the features of the Indian Constitution. This was followed by a stirring poem by Shivnita of Class 9, celebrating unity and democratic values. Principal Sir reminded students that the Constitution is the foundation of our nation, urged them to be responsible citizens. The celebration concluded with a creative poster-making activity on constitutional values. Interactive session on nutrition. An educational interactive nutrition awareness session was organized for class 3rd to 5th by Dr. Akansha, a qualified nutritionist. Students learned about balanced diets, healthy food choices, and daily habits through interesting examples and discussions. Digdarshan program with Mr. Divakar Gupta. Under the inspirational series Digdarshan, the school welcomed Mr. Divakar Gupta, senior leader at Info Edge. He spoke to students about the power of continuous learning, positive thinking, and self-reflection. Using examples of great achievers like Newton and Elon Musk, he encouraged students to remain curious and disciplined. The interactive question and answer that followed reflected students' enthusiasm. Principal Sir expressed gratitude and presented a memento to Mr. Gupta for sharing his valuable insights. With this, we conclude today's news bulletin. Thank you for joining us. Stay tuned for more updates from DAV Fertilizer Public School, Babrala. This is Samriddhi signing off. Thank you for joining us.